so right that we debate on something. But when the chairman is speaking, respect the chairman, please.
Nakikita po kasi natin na parang may mali doon sa trabaho ng pulis eh. Ako po, Mr. Chair, dating pulis din. I love PNP. And very clear naman, sinaktan yung si Miss Pilomena. Pilomena. Ayaw ko naman sabihin na napakahina ng investigator, Mr. Chair. Kasi pag ikaw ay investigator, dedicated ka sa trabaho mo, lahat ng pwede mong itanong, itatanong mo. At lahat ng totoo, ire-reflect mo sa report. Without bias. Kasi may dedikasyon ka. So, Mr. Chair, pwede bang malaman ilang taon na po ba yung investigator natin as investigator? Mr. Chair?
6 years na po, Your Honor.
6 years. And you are criminologist.
Yes, Your Honor.
And graduate ka ng investigation course.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, of course. So ayaw kong isipin na napakahina mo eh. Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, kahit patrolman, criminologist, graduate ng investigation course, kung may dedikasyon sa public service, i-reflect lahat dyan yung makita niya eh. Yun yung trabaho ng investigator eh. So, Mr. Chair, may nakikita po kasi akong hindi tama eh. So, if I may suggest, if I may manifest, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang ma-invite natin for the next hearing ang Provincial Chief ng Internal Affairs Service ng Quezon Province, Mr. Chair? Mr. Chair.
What's the pleasure of the good gentleman from Party List
Pwede
One
po
Rider?
ba, Mr. Chair, ma-invite natin ang Provincial Chief ng Internal Affairs Service ng Quezon PPO for the next hearing,
Yes,
Mr.
we
Chair?
will be inviting the IAS of the Region 4,
PPO, Mr.
the provincial.
Quezon PPO.
Yes,
Yes, Mr.
provincial.
Yes.
PO. Yes. So, Comsec, you are directed to invite that person.
Mr. Chair, along that line, may tatanong lang ako kay Comsec.
Check.
Comsec. I remember nung first hearing natin, tinanong natin sa PNP kung maaari ba nilang isubmit yung list ng mga personnels na nakapag-submit po ba ang PNP, Comsec?
For the personnel deployed, sir, during the October 30 BSKE, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What about the list of Intel officers and Intel agents? Were they able to comply?
No, Your Honor.
Can I request or ask the PNP, why did you not comply with this request from the committee?
We have a Your Honor, we have a copy last meeting. Hindi lang po namin nayabot, pero yun po yung hawak namin ng mga book-binded na document. Yun po yung listahan. May apology po, hindi ko po nayabot kasi hindi naman po tinanong.
Dala nyo rin PD right now?
Pero,
Dala nyo right now?
naiwanan na po, Your Honor. Pero pwede ko pong ipapahabol ko ngayon kasi nakarili naman po siya.
Okay, sige. Please do so, PD. Sige,
Mr. Chair.
yes, Congresswoman
Yes.
Matibag, please.
Mr. Chair, I have here a letter from, it's a deputization letter that coming from Honorable Julian Jamberon, the Deputy Majority Leader, that I am being deputized to hear and participate here in the Committee on Public Order and Safety in the bill filed by our Honorable J.J. Suarez, as this is the same bill that I have filed also, which is also happening in my district. I would like to get the permission of the body, Mr. Chair, that I'd be allowed by our members to be part of this committee because, Mr. Chair, I'm thinking, this is the last day of our session for today, and Mr. Chair, if you have heard my privileged speech, no, pinagbabawalan ako ng PNP namin sa San Pedro na magkaroon ng security from the PNP. It happened also na merong one time na nagsunod sa akin na police just because nakita ako sa fiesta. And then, Mr. Chair, the following day, na-relieve na siya sa Binyan. It's so easy for the hepe ng San Pedro to relieve someone just because sumunod lang po sa akin, Mr. Chair. So, in line with this, it's going to be our last day for today, and then we will be having a recess. So, Mr. Chair, as a nanay, I have 3 kids. Mabata pa po yung anak ko. I have 10, 5, and 3 years old. And I am into the safety of my district, of my leaders, my children, and my family, and myself, Mr. Chair. That's why I would like to seek your permission for this.
Okay, thank you so much, Congresswoman Matibag. Normally, the procedure that we are following here are first, the resolution that is filed and referred to this committee are given the preferential treatment. But having said that, your issue dwell on the same issue that was filed by Congressman J.J. Suarez. And since can we kindly see your deputization? Can you kindly submit to this committee? So we will be allowing you to be a part of the discussion and the voting process if ever that a voting will be needed because
Also,
of this
Mr. Chair,
deputization. But okay, go ahead.
We also have the same persons involved. I think the RD, since we are from the same region,
Yeah.
our RD here is also is part of our investigation.
And in that case, we will be asking the body, if your manifestation of trying to include that same issue in relation to the resolution that was filed by Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez to be laid on this committee. So, what's the pleasure of the body? So there is a manifestation of our good congresswoman from First District that her issue on her privileged speech be a part of the discussion of the resolution of Congressman J.J. Suarez. So that's the issue that we have to settle.
Chairman,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman, just to clear things, with regards to deputization of Congresswoman Matibag,
Please sit down, Congressman Paduano, please.
problema, kumakain ako, bigla kang humirit. Kaya, Chairman, thank you. Chairman Akop, thank you. Malaking utang to kay Chairman Akop. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, with regards to the deputization
Order,
of-
please. Okay, go
of
ahead.
Congresswoman Matibag, of course, it's the right of the Deputy Majority Leader to deputize. Now, he has all the authority and the the right, especially during voting. Now, with regards to the issue being raised by Congresswoman Matibag on her privileged speech, am I correct? Privileged speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
That is not a resolution. That is not a reso filed by you. Privileged speech. Now, unless otherwise, Mr. Chairman, the privileged speech of the Honorable Matibag was referred to this committee.
It was, sorry.
Yes, as a matter of fact, it was referred
we
already.
can. So there's no need, Mr. Chairman, to discuss about it because
No, we are not going to discuss it. The
No.
manifestation of Congresswoman Matibag
I know.
is to allow this body to tackle that on the next hearing. Not now. Yun ang kanyang manifestation eh.
ano ba yung, kailan ba yung privileged speech mo? Yung referral sa public, public
It
order.
was referred, Mr. Chair, last week.
Last
right,
week.
Comsec?
We have 5-day rule, under the rules, we have 5-day rule.
May I
So,
remind,
that-
wait.
Sandali,
May I
tapos-
remind the gentleman that you are, please address the chairman, please.
Anyway, napaka-stricto tong chairman na to. Anyway, sa sunod sa akin, May araw ka rin. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. We have 5-day rule. Now, if that is covered by the 5-day rule,
Last week ba?
today is our hearing, no? And if the privilege speech which was referred to this committee is germane to the issue being tackled with regards to House resolution of DSGJ and the Honorable Mujib Ataman, we can consolidate it with just one motion. Then we can also discuss today.
So,
Today.
Congresswoman Ann Matibag, a while ago you have this manifestation of your privilege speech to be a part of the discussion based on the resolution of Congressman Suarez. Now, I think the good gentleman from hindi, ano niya? Anong party list?
Party.
Abang Lingkod Party List wanted you to have a motion for this committee to act on it. Go ahead,
Mr. Chairman,
Congresswoman.
sandali po.
Yes,
Comsec
Congressman
has
Paduano.
clarified. Yes, Comsec. Pasok ba doon sa 5-day rule? 5-day?
I think
Five
Comsec, it
calendar.
was referred to the committee, the privilege speech. Yes, pasok naman na Congressman Paduano. So Congressman Robert Ace Barbers is acknowledged, sir. So Congresswoman Matibag, you are recognized. Go ahead. Yes, Congressman Ako, please.
Nakapag-rule ka na without asking the body. I think that is whimsical and arbitrary, Mr. Chair.
No, Chairman Ako, hindi
yes,
po.
I still have the floor. I
Sige,
think.
go ahead. Oh.
There is such a thing as out of order. If it is not included in the agenda, even in the floor, and if you tackle that, you are out of order.
Mr. Chair, Congressman Akop, we will not be tackling that resolution right now. That's the reason why I'm
Hindi ko
asking.
naman sinasabi.
No.
Sandali lang.
No,
Patapusin mo kasi
Order.
ako eh. I
what
still have the floor.
No, I'm trying to get your time because I am the chairman. What I wanted to
Sige,
explain.
if that is what you want, sige.
Mr. Chairman, what I'm trying to point out is that a while ago, Congresswoman Matibag was implying through her manifestation that he wanted to include her privilege speech on the discussion of the resolution. But I tried to put it under the floor by having the body to act on it. But we will not be discussing the merit of the privilege speech right now. What I'm trying to say with the indulgence of Congressman Akop is that the approval of the body that we will be including her privilege speech on the next hearing.
No, Mr. Chairman. Ganito lang po.
Pa-recognize ka muna.
Chairman.
Before
Can I be recognized?
before I recognize you, Congressman Paduano, may I be allowed to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Ruel Peter Gonzaga? Now you are recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. Sinabi ko, I have already established, if that privilege speech was referred to this committee, pasok dun sa 5-day rule natin, 5 calendar day rule, pwede talaga. Somebody has to move, na ipasok mo, then we'll vote if we have a quorum. Di ba? That's why, Mr. Chairman,
No.
your ruling should be right after that motion. If ever members
No,
will...
I haven't ruled yet. What I'm trying to
Anyway,
tell is for her to have a motion.
And then
Ang sabi ko kanina,
that's only my point.
Wait. What I said was, because manifestation yon, now I'm trying to tell to change it to a motion. Hindi po ako nag-rule, Congressman Paduano. What I'm trying to tell is to change the manifestation to a motion.
Okay. Pasok ba, Comsec?
Pasok. So motion, please.
Mr. Chair, I may move to be included in the hearing of the resolution
Respect the chairman, please.
directing the appropriate House Committee to conduct an inquiry in aid of
Wait for a while. What I wanted is that we respect each other. You have your own committees, and I'm following the rules of this Congress, and it's it's also right that we debate on something. But when the chairman is speaking, respect the chairman, please. We are all co-equal. Go ahead, Congresswoman Matibag.
Mr. Chair, I move that in the case of my district, I may be included in the House resolution directing the appropriate House committee to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation of violence, harassment, intimidation, and other criminal acts committed before, during, after the conduct of the 2023 Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Oh, there's a motion for the
Second.
inclusion of the issue of the privilege speech on the